morning standard 6 students. In my last video, I have taught you how to write notice and also given you two notice. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how to write debate. So let's start. Now standard 6 students, now you can see I have written debate writing. Now first of all, let me tell you what is debate. Debate is bahas, means tark karna. It is done between two persons. Here is the introduction of debate. So I have written what is debate. Debate is a formal disagreement. In the debate, two persons are required. One person is called to be as a pro and another person is called to be as a con. The person who is telling in the favor of the topic, he is called to be as a pro, and the person who is against the topic, he is called to be as a con. Now here you see two persons are there. I have drawn two diagrams. So this is called pro, means he is telling in favor of the topic, and he is telling against the topic, who is called to be as a con. Now pro means proposition and con means opposition. जो आदमी किसी टॉपिक का अनुकूल में बता रहा है, ही इज कॉल्ड टू बी एज अ प्रो, एंड द पर्सन जो उसका विरोध में बता रहा है, ही इज कॉल्ड टू बी एज अ कॉन और ऑपोजिशन. सो हियर यू सी order of debate. Total debate will be of each person gets 5 minutes time to say. In the first round, first proposition gets 5 minutes and the first opposition gets 5 minutes. So each person gets 5 minutes in the first round. Then after that, in the second round, more 5 minutes is given to the second proposition, means he will become the second proposition and he will become the second opposition. Then more 5 minutes given to them in the second round to elaborate the topic. First proposition speaks first. जो टॉपिक का अनुकूल में बताता है वो पहले बताता है. He starts first. The most important thing to remember is that a debate is an organized disagreement in which each side gets an equal chance to present. Now suppose debate is going on and suddenly one person raised the hand, and it means that wait a minute. Between the debate, if the person shows just raise up his hand, it means that wait a minute. What does it mean? That is means the POI, that is the points of interruption. एंड उसको बीच में कुछ बोलने का मौका देना है, तो इट इज कैन बी सेड फॉर द 15 सेकेंड, नॉट मोर देन दिस. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी हाउ टू राइट डिबेट. आई हैव रिटन 3 टाइप्स टू स्टार्ट द डिबेट. द फर्स्ट टाइप यू कैन स्टार्ट लाइक दिस वे: रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, वर्दी टीचर्स एंड माई डियर फ्रेंड्स. वर्दी मीन्स आदरणीय. What does it means? Adarniyam. So worthy means adarniya, teachers and my dear friends. My name is, if the name is given in the topic, you have to write that name. And I stand before you to express my views in favor or against of the motion. Motion means topic. On which topic you are telling the debate, either in favor or in the against. You can start this type of debate, you can say, in school, because in the school principal sir is there, teachers are there, so that's why you can start. If you start debate in school, then you can start like this way. Suppose if you are in competition, then you can start like this way: honorable judges and my dear friends, I am, again the name. If the name is given the topic in the question, then you can write that name, or you can tell your own name. And I stand before you to express my views against for the motion topic. So you can tell the against or favor of the motion, the topic which is be given to you. You can start like this way. Type 3. You can see, respected chairperson, members of the jury, and my worth opponents. I am, again the name you have to tell, and I stand before you to express my views against or for the motion. So the three ways you can start the debate. Now here is a note for you. Begin with respected principal, worthy teachers, and my dear friends if you are telling in the school. Then you have to introduce the topic, on what topic you are telling the debate. Then you have to choose your side, on which side, in the favor of the topic or against the topic, you have to choose it. Then topic should be expressed forcefully and clearly. Whatever the reasons, whatever the logical reasons you will give, it should be very clear. Use argumentative style. बहस करने का जो तरीका होता है, that style you have to adopt. And logical reason also argue with relevant information. और उस टॉपिक को पर आधार पर जो जानकारियां हैं, you have to tell that one. You can use the following expressions preparing your own argument. So before telling the debate, you have to prepare whatever the arguments, whatever the reasons you want to tell. You have to copy down that one. Now let's come the expression. In the debate, here some lines are there which you can use it. I would like to raise a question. Suppose if you want to ask any question, you can use this line. In my opinion, you can use this line on that what you are telling about the topic. I feel very strongly that, again this line can be used in the debate. I would like to present my views. If you are telling in the favor of the topic, then you can give that whatever the logical reasons are there. So before that, starting that one, you can use this line. I am amazed by the views expressed by the opponent. I would like to draw attention of the people who are sitting in front of you. I fail to understand. You can use this line in the debate. I submit that what the opponent is telling. My first, next or final argument against or in the favor of the motion. You can use this line. So these are the lines I have written for you which you can use in the debate. May I ask, if you want to ask any question to your opponent, you can start with this saying this one, may I ask. Then after that what you want to ask, you can tell that one. I strongly oppose or support the views. You can use this one. If you are not satisfied with the opponents, then you can tell that I strongly oppose what the opponent is telling. You can use on the contrary. How can he be so ignorant as to say? If the opponent is telling any wrong things or any which is not suitable, then you can use this line. I totally disagree with the view. If you are not agreed with the view, then you can use this line in the debate. I condemn. I firmly reject what the opponent is telling. I wholeheartedly oppose or support. Means you can use this line. I support the motion that what are the benefits of that topic. So dear students, today I taught you debate writing, introduction of debate, order of debate, how to write debate. So in my next video, I am going to give you one debate as an example so that you can understand more clearly. Have a nice day. Stay with me for the next video. Goodbye. Thank you.